This is the Windmason Roof Down Blast Fan, a high-performance, Saudi-made ventilation solution. Traditional fans are heavy, noisy, and difficult to control. Windmason solves these issues with advanced BLDC variable speed motor technology, delivering precise airflow and pressure control. It provides airflow from 3,000 up to 7,000 cubic feet per minute, making it ideal for demanding HVAC applications. The fan is direct drive, ensuring low maintenance, low noise, and high efficiency with adjustable pressure and airflow as per system requirements. Built with a corrosion-free fiberglass cover, it is designed for long life in harsh outdoor conditions, fully compliant with AMCA standards and backed by international certifications including ISO 45001 and CE compliance, ensuring quality and safety you can trust. Best of all, it comes with a competitive price starting from 7,000 Saudi Riyals, with additional discounts available. Terms and conditions apply. Windmason, powerful, reliable, and built for performance.